people recording when you have a tiny little pet along with you, and see, it's licking me. Aww. It's like it's trying to tell me, old lady, get off my back. Don't, because these little rabbits, they themselves are very busy, so they keep scampering about from one corner to the other. So then it becomes difficult to keep track. See, where is this guy going? You can see him. It's like, so, but it's nice to see an animal be also happy and all of that. So so that's what people, I had to do the review of the show that is Prajakta Kohli's Mismatched on Netflix. And yeah, it is based on a book, and so that in itself is so cute. Yeah, that the whole uh, the setting of the story. I mean, here it's the role reversal. It's like the young man in the story is very keen to settle down, and the girl is interested in making all these apps and all. But I'll just say that the age group that they've chosen, like the show is all about these 18-year-olds who are planning to get married and all of that. So that goes a little off, so yeah. And it's like trying to get this young man married, who, I mean, these rabbits, so that's what so I have a male female pair. So the thing is, so that's what that I found odd. But otherwise, Mismatched is the kind of show you should watch if it's interesting. You should watch it for Prajakta Kohli and Rohit Suresh Saraf, that's his name. And so yeah, so Mismatched, you can find it on Netflix, and it is an interesting show to watch. So on that note, it's already a 2-minute video. On that note, thanks for watching, and we are busy, and please subscribe.